What if your YouTube videos could publish automatically even while you are asleep or busy? With YouTube schedule feature, you can choose the exact date and time your videos go live. Here's how to set it up. Schedule your videos is one of the easiest way to stay consistent on YouTube. Instead of publishing a video immediately, you can upload it in advance and let YouTube publish it automatically at your chosen date and time. This feature is not available in the YouTube mobile app. So first open Chrome and go to YouTube Studio. Tap the three-dot menu and enable desktop side. Now click the create button and upload your video. Fill in your video title, description, thumbnail and any other details. Continue through the upload process until you reach the visibility section. Instead of selecting public, choose schedule. Now select the date and time when you want your video to be published. Double check your settings, then click schedule. That's it. Your video will stay scheduled and YouTube will publish it automatically at the date and time you selected. Scheduling videos help you stay consistent even when you are busy or away from your phone. It gives you time to upload and review your content in advance, making your publishing process more organized if your audience is more active at this specific time. Scheduling also makes it easier to publish your video at that time without needing to be online yourself. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.